5 proven ways to break bad habits for good. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel because this video took a lot of time to prepare. And if you're serious about breaking bad habits, regaining control over your life, and finally becoming free from behaviors that hold you back, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Let's get started. 1. Why bad habits control more than you think. Everyone has bad habits. Some are obvious, like smoking, overeating, or drinking too much. Others are hidden, like procrastination, negative self-talk, or avoiding responsibility. The real danger of bad habits is not the habit itself, but what it quietly steals from you. Opportunities, confidence, health, progress, freedom. Bad habits don't appear overnight. They form slowly, repeat silently, and eventually become automatic. To break a bad habit, you must first understand how habits actually work. 2. How habits are formed inside the mind. A habit is not random behavior. It follows a very specific mental pattern called the habit loop. Every habit has 4 parts. 1. The trigger. Something happens that activates the habit. Stress, boredom, emotion, environment. 2. The craving. Your mind wants relief, comfort, or pleasure. 3. The response. You act, smoke, eat, scroll, drink, procrastinate. 4. The reward. Your brain receives pleasure or relief, which reinforces the habit. This loop gets stored in the subconscious mind. That's why habits feel automatic. You don't think, you react. The good news is, once you understand the loop, you can break it. 3. Step 1. Identify your bad habits clearly. You cannot fix what you don't clearly see. The fastest way to identify bad habits is to ask yourself one powerful question. What are my bad habits? Then write everything down without judgment. Your subconscious mind already knows the answer. When you ask the right question with intention, the answers surface. Don't rush this step. Awareness is the foundation of change. Once a habit is conscious, it loses much of its power over you. 4. Method 1. Going cold turkey. The first method is the most extreme, but also the most powerful for some people. Cold turkey means stopping the habit completely, immediately. No excuses, no just one more time. This method requires strong willpower, and it's not easy. But when it works, it creates something priceless, self-respect. Every day you resist the habit, you send a powerful message to your subconscious. I am in control. Even if cold turkey feels hard, it builds mental strength that carries over into every area of your life. 5. Method 2. Replace the habit loop. Instead of trying to erase a habit, you replace it. When the trigger appears, you choose a new response that gives a better reward. For example, stress triggers smoking. Replace with walking or breathing. Boredom triggers junk food. Replace with water or movement. Anxiety triggers scrolling. Replace with writing or stretching. The key is this: the new habit must feel more meaningful than the old one. Over time, the brain overwrites the old loop with the new, healthier one. This is one of the most effective long-term strategies. 6. Method 3. Gradual reduction. If cold turkey feels impossible, this method works very well. You slowly reduce the habit instead of stopping instantly. Examples: 20 cigarettes to 19, to 18, to 17. Daily junk food to every other day, to once a week. Excessive screen time to reduce minutes gradually. Small steps feel achievable. Achievable steps build confidence. Confidence creates momentum. If you slip once, don't quit. Just continue from where you are. Progress, not perfection, breaks habits. 7. Method 4. Starve the habit of attention. One of the smartest strategies is to stop fighting the habit directly. Instead, focus fully on building new positive habits. When you constantly focus on not doing something, you actually give it power. So shift your focus. New routines, new goals, new skills, new activities. Over time, the old habit weakens because it no longer receives energy or attention. Your life fills with better habits, and the old ones fade. 8. Track progress and celebrate wins. What gets measured gets improved. Tracking your progress does two powerful things. It keeps you accountable, and it creates pride and motivation. Use a calendar, a notebook, a habit tracker. Mark every day you succeed. Celebrate small wins. 1 day without the habit, 1 week of improvement, 1 month of consistency. Pride is a powerful reinforcement tool. You're not focusing on what you lost, you're focusing on the freedom you gained. 9. The mindset that makes habits disappear. Breaking bad habits is not about punishment, it's about identity. You're not someone trying to quit, you're becoming someone who no longer needs the habit. Shift your focus from pleasure to freedom, from comfort to control, from habit to choice. This mindset change is what makes habits disappear permanently. Final message: freedom is worth the effort. Breaking bad habits takes time, patience, and persistence. There will be temptations, there will be difficult moments, but the reward is priceless. Control, confidence, health, self-respect, freedom. You are not your habits. You are the one who can change them, and you can start today. Outro. Ask them to subscribe. If this video helped you understand how to break bad habits for good, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss future videos focused on mindset, self-discipline, and building a better version of yourself. Thanks for watching, and remember, every habit you break brings you closer to freedom.